Welcome to the world of Jones Knows. Today we're starting our newest vinyl job. It's PERGO Extreme Vinyl Flooring. We're going over the top of tile, 3,000 plus feet of flooring, but we have a problem. Our bedrooms had no tile, so we have two different height floors to work with. What do we do? Find out today on Jones Knows.
It's so beautiful, you and me, we meant to be.
If you're new to the channel, my name is Tim. I'm a flooring and stair contractor, and as usual, helping me in the videos are my sons Tristan and Hunter. So we're getting all dirty today. We're playing in the mud. My client has tile throughout the whole house, but in the bedrooms they had carpet. They don't want to raise all the bedroom floors up to do no transitions. So we're going to level the floor just in the doorways so we can go. You know what my favorite thing is? No transitions. We're taking it to the extreme. Without any further ado, let's go take a look at the job. Alright, mix up. We'll be able to run our floor over the tile and into the bedrooms where there's no tile, and we can have no transition. So this way we don't have to raise the whole bedroom up to the height of the rest of the house so that our floor can be seamlessly continued in there without a molding, a T-molding, or whatever you want to call it. We don't want to do that here. Normally, a lot of times I raise the entire room up, especially on laminate floors or wood floors. We raise this up so we put plywood or Dura-Rock in, so it's the height of the tile before we start, and then it's all one level. But this is vinyl. So my contractor, Ariel, the one that's sending us to Cape Coral and on these nightmare installs, has this job here, and he wants it floated right through the doorways so that we don't need any thresholds and we don't need to raise the whole room up. So normally I raise up the whole rooms, but in this instance they have a couple, probably 1,500 feet of rooms that they don't want to pay for raising. They don't want to pay for the extra layer of flooring. So this is a practical solution. No one likes thresholds, you know, around here. I hate thresholds, so we're not going to use them if we don't have to. And we're going to go ahead and just do this. We'll float doorways. Now sometimes I will go over it with a second layer of float because we're using self-leveling. It will settle and go where it wants to go. So sometimes a second layer or a scraping of the first layer is necessary. It looks pretty good though so far. On this installation we're doing the PERGO Extreme, the PERGO Vinyl. And we're doing some new core in another room. So be sure you check out the actual install on this one. It's going to be a good one. We'll do a how-to and a review, which you know I love to do. We'll find out just how good this PERGO is. Wow, so I think it came out really good. Here is the big double-wide doorway. We went about 5 feet into the room. Wow, look at that, and it just goes where it needs to that way. That was where it needed to be down there where it's not dried yet. That's the thicker spot, and that's where it settled the most. When we get back here on Monday or Tuesday, we'll scrape it down, but I think it looks pretty good. That would be the office den area there. Then we have the Jack and Jill bedrooms, or the Jack and Jill rooms where you have the bathroom in the middle, kids rooms here. We are actually, I found out, doing a new core in this room, and then we're doing the PERGO Extreme throughout the rest of the house. So we do have a room, a new core here. I think this one came out pretty good. I don't think we have to do anything here, and the one that I am the most proud of, I think the one that we won't have to do anything to, we probably don't even have to scrape it, just come in and lay some floor, would be the master doorway. This is always the easiest when you have a little hallway that leads to the room. It gives you a nice even area to just ramp it slowly down until you get to the main area in the room. Wow, so that is how we level the doorways. And now we'll be able to lay our flooring with no transition, and we won't have to go through the expense of raising up all of those rooms, because that's about 1,000 feet of bedrooms I charged $2.50 to $3 with the Durarock that I put down, so that would be $3,000 or $4,000. Figure $800 to $900 to do the leveling. I charge about $150 a bag for the leveling. We use 6 bags, so we're at $900 right now. Would have cost $3,000 though. And the other alternative would be to have those moldings in the doorways, which you know I hate moldings, and we're not going to do it if we don't have to. So I was glad they wanted to go this route. It's a lot better than doing the moldings. Would have liked to erase the whole rooms possibly, but hey, this is a good compromise and I think they're going to be happy. This is going to be an interesting install because it's my first time working with this PERGO product and I'm excited. I can't wait to see how it installs. I'm sure it's going to be great. It has the uni-click lock system or uni-lin locking system, which is the inventors of locking floors back in the day with Quick-Step, which was my favorite laminate of all time. If you're new to the channel, be sure to check out some of our other content. We have lots of great videos on how to install wood, laminate, and vinyl floors. Plus, we do my favorite product reviews. I review wood, laminate, and vinyl, and I even put them head to head. I run them over, I dunk them, I submerge them, I do whatever it takes to find out which of these floors are best for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, I want you to take out your favorite flooring mallet, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. And thanks for watching. I am playing in the mud today. Muddy, muddy, muddy. Yeah, I shouldn't have worn my new pants today. Damn it, here goes another pair. I like my shinies. I call them my shiny pants. My nylon and polyester type pants, so they don't really sweat, they dry out. They're expensive though, and I hate ruining them.